In this video, we'll be discussing about laws of exponents. The first three laws are discussed in detail in a separate video. The link is given in the description box below. This video deals with the remaining three laws. So let's get started with the fourth law, exponents of exponents. First example, 5 square whole to the power of 4. Now let's expand 5 square as 5 into 5. So that gives us 5 into 5 whole to the power of 4. Now expanding further, we get the product of 5 into 5 multiplied 4 times. And that's the same as 5 multiplied 8 times, or 5 to the power of 8. Now let's understand what our law says. When we have 5 square whole to the power of 4, we can just multiply the exponents 2 and 4 and leave the base as it is. So 5 square whole to the power of 4 becomes 5 to the power of 2 into 4, or 5 to the power of 8. Let us now check out another example with the variable a to the power of 3 the whole square. Expanding a to the power of 3, we get a into a into a. Expanding further, we need to find the product of a into a into a multiplied twice. And that results in a multiplied 6 times, which is nothing but a to the power of 6. Now let's do this in a single step using our law. A cube the whole square. Keep the base a as it is and just multiply the exponents. 3 into 2. So that gives us a to the power of 6. So to generalize, a to the power of m the whole to the power of n is a to the power of m into n. With that, we move on to the fifth law of exponents. Here we consider multiplication of 2 or more terms with different bases but the same powers. First example, 4 square into 5 square. Expanding 4 square, we get 4 into 4. Expanding 5 square, we get 5 into 5. Now, with a slight rearrangement, we can write the same expression as 4 into 5 into 4 into 5. So that's the same as 4 into 5 multiplied 2 times, or 4 into 5 the whole square. Now let's learn our rule. When we have multiplication of 2 terms with the same powers and different bases, we can keep the power as it is and only multiply the bases. As in our case, 4 square into 5 square becomes 4 into 5 the whole square. Let us check out another example involving a variable. A cube into 6 cube. A cube is expanded as a into a into a, and 6 cube becomes 6 into 6 into 6. Again, with a slight rearrangement, we get a into 6 multiplied 3 times, which is nothing but a into 6 whole to the power of 3. We could also solve the same expression in a single step using our fifth law of exponent. So a cube into 6 cube becomes a into 6 the whole cube. So to generalize, a to the power of m into b to the power of m becomes a into b whole to the power of m. With that, we'll be moving on to our final law of exponents. Here we consider division of 2 terms which have the same exponents but different bases. For example, 7 to the power of 6 by 3 to the power of 6. 7 to the power of 6 can be expanded as 7 multiplied 6 times. And 3 to the power of 6 can be expanded as 3 multiplied 6 times. Now listen carefully. The same expression can be written as 7 by 3 multiplied 6 times. And that becomes 7 by 3 whole to the power of 6. Now coming to our law. When we have division of two terms with the same exponent and different bases, we can keep the exponent as it is and only do the division of the bases. So 7 to the power of 6 divided by 3 to the power of 6 becomes 7 by 3 whole to the power of 6. Now let's see another example using some variables. A to the power of 5 by 2 to the power of 5. Expanding a to the power of 5, we get a multiplied 5 times. Expanding 2 to the power of 5, we get 2 multiplied 5 times. Now this can also be written as a by 2 multiplied 5 times, or a by 2 whole to the power of 5. Now let's do this easily using our law. A to the power of 5 by 2 to the power of 5. So we keep the power as it is and only divide the bases. So that becomes a by 2 whole to the power of 5. Now let's generalize the law. A to the power of m by b to the power of m becomes a by b whole to the power of m. With that, we complete all the 6 laws of exponents. There's another video which discusses how to make complicated expressions involving exponents into simpler ones using all these laws of exponents. The link is given in the description box below. And if you found this video useful, hit on the like button and share it with your friends to help them learn maths the amazing way. Thanks for watching.